Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Kartika Sekarayu Puspitasari. My number student is 010. I'm from A class and I'm from Faculty of Law UPN Veteran Jawa Timur. Today I will talk about noun. Nouns can be singular and plural. Singular is the noun that means one person, one animal, one place, or one thing. Plural noun mean more than one person, one animal, one place, or one thing. In general, a plural noun by adding the s to the end of the noun. For example, 2 cars, 2 books, 2 dogs, and 2 apples. Except when the noun ends in s, sh, ch, z, or x, we add the letter es to the end of the noun. For example, 2 buses, 2 matches, 2 dishes, 2 boxes, and 2 quizzes. When a noun ends in f or fe, for example, wolf ends in an f, remove the f or fe part and add ves to the end, like wolves. But there are some exceptions to this rule. 2 exceptions include roof for roofs and cliff for cliffs. Some nouns have very irregular plural nouns, and that doesn't have an s at the end. Some common irregular plural nouns are man, woman, children, feet, teeth, mice, and lice. Some other irregular plural nouns are the words that do not change in plural form. For example, sheep. There is no change between a singular and plural form. There is no s at the end. Nouns in English can be divided into countable and uncountable nouns. First, I will talk about countable nouns. Countable nouns are nouns that we can count. Countable nouns have a singular and plural form. With countable nouns, we can use a, an, or a number before the noun. For example, a pencil or a 10 pencil. Countable nouns can use a singular verb or a plural verb. For example, the books are old. We ask how many and use words such as a lot, many, and a few. Other examples besides books and pencils are cars, beds, and 11s. Next, I will talk about uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are nouns that do not have a singular or plural form. For example, traffic. Traffic in English is an uncountable noun. Even though traffic it refers to a lot of individual cars that we count, but traffic is not a plural word and cannot use s at the end of the noun. With uncountable nouns, we cannot use a, an, or a number before the noun. Uncountable nouns always use a singular verb. For example, sugar is sweet. We use how much and words such as a lot, much, and little. Uncountable noun can be calculated by using a container. Other examples besides traffic and sugar are rice, dust, money, advice, baggage, work, homework, art, and danger. And the last one, I will talk about impressive nouns. Impressive nouns are nouns that do not represent the exact person or object. There are three main coordination tags, like something, things, and stuff. We can also add like that to each coordination text, and it will be like something like that, things like that, and stuff like that. Something is used when the earlier noun is not exactly what the speaker meant. Things is used to avoid listing a long list to exact noun. And stuff is used similarly to things, but more often it refers to object. That's enough for me. Thank you for watching, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.